Yes, my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, man, it's Cook and Inspire again with Chef Garnet in the kitchen. Yeah, man, and what I'll be doing for you today is the traditional Turncornmeal with steamed fish. Yeah, man, many of you been requesting these sort of video, and this one is finally here, people. You know, so stay tuned and see how am I gonna go ahead and prepare Turncornmeal and steamed fish. It's a traditional Jamaican dish. You know, people we love. Back in the days, people look down on people when they eat Turncornmeal, but now Turncornmeal has become such a dish that everybody loves. You know, I would say it's a delicacy for most people, and it's well known to be eaten with steamed fish. You know, some people who remember the days when we used to eat Turncornmeal and chicken back. When you can't find no other meat but chicken back. Yeah, man, I hate this, you know, where most people been, you know, it's a lovely dish if it prepares the right way, you know, and everybody have their own way of preparing Turncornmeal. Yeah, so I'm going to do it Chef Garnet's way, you know. I'm not going to do it my mother's way because, you know, they go way back, you know, so it's an upgrade of Turncornmeal, so. Before we get to season our thing, you know, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, man, go ahead and tell your friends and your family about, you know, Cook and Inspire. You know, we've been doing some awesome things over here, you know, try to please everybody, even though that's a very hard job to please everybody. So yeah, man, I said things set, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, you know, Cook and Inspire. Also on Instagram, you know, Cook and Inspire _76. Yeah, man, go over there and follow and be a part of the family. Yeah, man, be the notification. Yeah, so when I post a video, please go over there and comment on the video. Let me know what you like and what you don't like. Okay, guys? Let me say, go over there and interact. So it's that time again, you know. I'm going to show you how to season my fish and leave it to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes before I actually start to steam it. Yeah. So first of all, I've got my season already on the plate here. I'm going to handle the bottle and then go on for the cross contaminate. Also over here I got some black pepper. You know, probably about a teaspoon of black pepper. We got some mixed herbs and spice there. And over here, I can't leave out my Maggi. I love my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I just got a half a teaspoon of salt. And over here we got some Old Bay seasoning. And this one is garlic, ginger, and pimento powder. Okay? Not much seasoning. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to combine everything together. You know, just do it like that. Combine everything. You know, because you don't want to over season it because you're going to be seasoning the vegetable for the steamed fish. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to hold on the fish in your hand like that. Let's put this over here. Okay. So as you can see, I've washed and cleaned my fish already. I put some cuts in the fish, both sides, so you can easily steam. Don't forget, the fish is not something that takes long to cook. So what you do, just get those seasoned down in those cuts. Yeah. In the head, in the belly, yeah, all over it. Okay, another one. That's it. Make sure you clean the fish real good with lemon and vinegar. You know, especially parrotfish, because parrotfish, I noticed that parrotfish carries a lot of slime. You know, so try to get rid of all those slime from your fish. You don't want to, in the fish cook, you taste all kind of things that you don't want to taste in a fish. You know? Sometimes the fish, when you bite down into it, especially the head, you can feel you can taste a bit of bitter taste. It's because you didn't clean the fish well enough. So yeah, let's put the rest of season over that. Just rub it up, people. Just massage it in. Whenever time you're doing food, you have to put love in it. You know, if you don't prepare your food with love, then you know that will taste good. But you gotta cook with love before it tastes good. See what I'm saying? Yeah, so these are man like to cook with love. Alright, so that's it. My fish already seasoned up there. I'm gonna just put that aside, peel on my hand, and come back. Here I am again. I've got my pot to do my Turncornmeal. So I'm gonna go ahead and I hope you follow me carefully, guys, because you're gonna need to pay attention. Let me see if you look on here. Right, so first of all, you need a big enough size pot. You don't want a small pot. You know, if you have non-stick pot, then that's perfect. Well, this is the pot I have. You know, I've got non-stick pot, but they're not big enough. So I decided to use this big pot because you're gonna need space for the cornmeal to expand. So first, more fire. So what we're gonna do, I use 1 pint of water, 1 tablespoon of salt. See there? 1 pint of coconut milk I'm using. These my little secret ingredients I'm telling you. I'm tipping about a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil in that. Yeah? Some butter, pimento berry, some scotch bonnet pepper here I chopped up. Some scallion, 2 sprigs of scallion I've chopped up. Few sprigs of thyme. Alright, so put all of those in there. And people, I'm telling you, I'm gonna put a bit of, you know, some love Maggie here. I don't care what no one says to them. I just love Maggie seeing. My wife always talk about me and Maggie. Maggie have a special relationship. Good Maggie. Yeah, so I eat that for now. I think I leave out nothing. I'll leave that to boil up, you know, just to get that flavor come together. And then when it's time to put in the coconut, the cornmeal, what I'm saying, cornmeal, we show you how we're going to do this thing. So now we're going to start on our steamed fish. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to add a bit of, just a little bit of splash of, like I said, coconut oil. Just a little splash. Not too much, but a little piece of butter. So what I'll be doing, I'll be sauteing my vegetables and stuff for my steamed fish. I bring my flame up to high at the moment. Now the oil is hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with some garlic first. Flavor that up. You smell that already? So now we're going with our pumpkin. And don't forget, no reason why the pumpkin first, as they're a bit harder than everything else, the pumpkin. And at the same time, you don't want everything to mashed out. Yeah? Carrot. Yeah, so just keep stirring that. Just to saute it a bit. This is the cornmeal pot over here. Everything is, and taste as you go along. Guys, make sure you're not short of any flavor or salt. That could take a little bit more salt in it, you know. And don't forget, Turncornmeal can go with anything. You can also put some we call it gungo peas or red peas with that Turncornmeal, you know. But I just wanted to do it plain like that. And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go in with some onion, pimento berries that I've crushed, fresh thyme, spring onion, scallion, sweet pepper, green, red, yellow. You can see how that's color. Yes, guys, so as I said, my season that's been starting down for 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna go in with, you know, I would say that half a pint of coconut cream. I think I need a bit more coconut cream still. See? So that's gonna be cooking that. I'm gonna put a bit more coconut. so this don't want to waste. You want that nice juice. I'll give this another 5 minutes to start cook down, and then I'll come back and taste it, that you guys see how am I doing. So yeah man, I said go. Come over here first before you go away. See there? This coming along really good. This coming along really good, guys. Let me just see that little taste again. You want to get the ingredients right. Yo, this is off the hook. So what I'll be doing now, I reach that stage. Then I'll be putting in my okras. You know, I've got around 7 okras here. You know, and if you don't like okra, you don't have to put it in here. If you look, I've got a cock soup. You know, cock soup mix. What I'll be doing, I'll be using a bit of warm water just to loosen up those flavor. So you have to mix that out first before you can actually put it in there, because it will come together and stick together. So nice and thick that is becoming. Lovely. So in goes my cock soup mix. Yeah, let's mix that in. A little bit more water. Wash out this jug. You don't want to waste anything in this time. You know, things I don't want to do the cornmeal yet until I put the fish in, because cornmeal is going to need a lot of attention, guys. You know, so don't make that mistake and try to multitask when you're doing Turncornmeal with something else. You know, always try to do that on its own and know, so yes, it's at a stage you don't need much attention. Because if you leave it for a couple seconds, I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be a mess. Yeah, so let's taste this. Wow. So I'm talking about. Get what is right. I just got a little bit of butter. Please, I'm just gonna add this little bit of butter in there. And that's gonna add a little bit of Maggi again. And my famous mixed herbs and a little bit of parsley leaves. Bring the flame down to medium now. I did say it was a little bit more salt, so I'm just going to go in with some pink salt. And don't forget, you know, your fish is already seasoned in there. So when it's halfway through, I'm just going to submerge the fish in that nice juice and sauce from this. Look at that, man. Oh my days. Yes, guys, so it comes to this part of it now. So my sauce is almost ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in my fish, and I see I've got my fish well seasoned here. So let's see what I'm doing. So you're going to get your fish and then just shove them down underneath like that. I needed a bigger pot, to be honest with you guys. I know I always got trouble when they come on to see. What you're going to do, you're going to try and get all of those vegetables on top. Get those fishes underneath. You like that? Lovely. Lovely, guys. So try and get them down. See? What you're gonna do, you're gonna just turn the stove down really medium heat. Cover that up and leave that to simmer for around 10 minutes, and then your fish will be perfect. Alright, so this is it, ready for my cornmeal. Let's see if I can get, I got, what is it, about a pound of garnet in this one. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my time and pour in the cornmeal. pour it and then turn it. So what you're gonna do is just slowly pour it in like that. You don't want it to be clumped up. Yeah. Slowly pour it in. You don't want to pour everything in one bowl. Yes, guys, wow. Be careful with this thing here. Alright, so this is it. So, put it in. You're gonna keep bring your flame all the way down to low. Just keep turning it. Now, it's a bit like, what do you call it? Fufu or something like that. But one isn't correct. This is what you're looking for. And if you find it gets a bit too dry, then what you can do is add a bit more liquid in there. So that's why you see I save this little bit of coconut cream here. You know, just for that purpose. You need a lot of muscles to do this, guys, I'm telling you. My hand is a bit tired already. We have to keep doing it like this. You know, to get that. You can see it's all come together, guys. At this point, what we're going to do, you know, bring up the flame a bit to medium. You know, just to really cook. You're going to keep stirring it like that. Yeah. Yes. And it's going to take at least another 20-25 minutes to cook. You know, and I'm sure it's gonna be a bit more drier than this. Yeah. Right, so let's take a look at my fish. I did put the flame down to low, so let's turn it up back. Shake these around. Look at that, guys. Here's my nice little parrot fish. Ready to go and simmer. Yes, so back over here. It's coming on perfect. You can see those little things that will form in the bottom. You know, that's what you want as well. My wife and I have been loving this one. She's been requesting this for ages now. You know, so I mean, if you guys been requesting vegetarian, vegan dish, this is perfect. It's perfect. So I'm gonna cover that up. Let it steam for a little while. I'll probably use some file paper and cover it up. So I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So this is what you're looking for, guys. See? That's a perfect turncornmeal. It's not too dry and it's not too soft. Okay? And if it was too dry, then you could have used the sauce from the steamed fish just to get it a bit wet. Okay, so this is it. Look at it. So you can go here, so you have the fish already. See the steamed fish on our coconut there. Good to go. So I'm going to plate it up, guys, and show you what it looks like. So here we have it now, our finished dish, and this is what it looks like plated up. Turncornmeal, Jamaican style, with steamed fish. The fish is parrot, steamed on coconut milk, and here we have some avocado. Good to go. Can't wait to dig into this more. Somebody lining up for this one. You know, so guys, this is it. This is coming from way back, ancient time. Yeah, so please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment in the comment section what you want me to cook. Yeah, man, because we have some awesome ideas and dish coming forth, you know, for you guys. So don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Cook and Inspire, Instagram, Cook and Inspire _76. You're gonna eat this. We go land people. Nah, like you know, because I can cook. What do you think?
Thank you.
Like seriously, we can cook. I just say thank you.
Yeah, thanks for dinner.
People think that about it. We just cook and she don't cook and then she don't dinner. Or you can't be like steam fish, Jamaican style. Yeah, she off. Peace out. Until next time, Inspire in and out the kitchen.